Look closely at this completely empty Excel sheet. If you sit here and manually type a database of 50 clients, you will waste hours of time. I also spent hours doing data entry. It is a completely boring job. But what you will see today, that will save your time entirely. Promise. I do not do it anymore. In this video, we will completely kill manual typing. Yes, you heard that right. Welcome to the PC Error Detective channel. Today we will see how you can finish all your boring office work in seconds using Google Gemini. No extra talking. Go straight to my computer screen. First, open any browser on your PC. I am using Chrome, but you can use Firefox or Edge if you want. Go to the address bar and type gemini.google.com. Then press enter on your keyboard. Log in with your Gmail account if you are not already logged in. The interface is completely simple. There is a large text box at the bottom. We have to do all our work right here. We will not use Gemini like a normal chatbot. We will apply it as a strong database generator. Many people come here and give the wrong prompt, which is why they do not get the right results. We will first make a client expense tracker. So click on this text box below. Now you must write a very specific prompt. I am typing, create a freelance project expense tracker. Include specific columns for date, client name, project category, and total amount. Generate 50 realistic dummy entries. You can change the column names according to your needs. The more perfect the prompt is, the better your data will come out. Then click the send icon on the right or press enter on the keyboard. Gemini is processing the data right now. It will take a little time. Here it is. See the magic. It made a whole table. Notice the columns, date, client name, project category, and total amount. Everything is arranged perfectly. If you tried to make this exact table yourself, it would take you almost half an hour just to think of the names. Gemini filled the whole table with fake data here. But there is one problem. This data is stuck inside the browser. We need to take it to Excel. Now come to the very bottom of the table. Scroll down slowly with the mouse. There is a small button called Export to Sheets here. Many people do not notice this because the button is quite hidden. You need to click on this exact button. Click it. After clicking, you will see a loading animation below. It will say creating spreadsheet. Gemini connects directly with your Google Drive. Within 15 seconds, done. The data moved from the Excel memory to Google Sheets. The execution is perfect. When the transfer is complete, an option called Open Sheet will pop up at the bottom of the screen. You must click on that Open Sheet text. As soon as you click, Google Sheets will open in a new tab. Look, our entire generated database is now inside a spreadsheet. The cells are in the right places, but we do not need this online. We need this offline in Microsoft Excel, right? For this, click on the File option from the top menu bar. After clicking on the File menu, a long list will appear. Place your mouse pointer over the Download option there. Another small submenu will open on the right. Select Microsoft Excel. Get XLSX from the very top of that. The file will start downloading to your PC as soon as you click. Not just Excel, Word, PDF, and even presentation slides follow the same rule. Once you learn it, it works everywhere. Now look at how this works for a Word document. We will go back to Gemini in our browser. We will make a long legal document this time. Suppose you need a non-disclosure agreement or NDA for a new client. Did you know it normally takes 3 to 4 hours to write a professional NDA? It costs $1,000 if you hire a lawyer. We will do it in 30 seconds with Gemini. Open a new chat from the left side. Type in the text box below. Write a strict non-disclosure agreement for a freelance software developer working with a new tech client. Keep the tone highly formal and include spaces for signatures. Press enter when you finish typing. Look, Gemini is writing the entire legal agreement. It is in completely professional legal language. It even left blank spaces with brackets in the middle to put the client's name and the date. This means Gemini did not just copy and paste here. It wrote this with understanding. That is the difference. If I had to draft this myself, I am scared just thinking about it. But Gemini did it so easily. Now scroll down to the very bottom of the document. Look at the share icon below. You will find an option called Export to Docs right next to it. Click here. Just like Excel, this connects to your Google Drive in the backend and creates a complete Google Docs file. Wait a little bit. Once the document is ready, click on Open Docs below. The file will open in a new tab. We will save this file in Microsoft Word format now so we can keep it offline on the PC. Go to the File menu from the top left corner just like before. Move your mouse down from the File menu to Download. Now select Microsoft Word .docx from the menu on the right. The file will download. Open it on your PC and look, your Word document is completely ready to use. You can easily edit the client names now and print it out. Okay, Word and Excel are done. But what about PDF? We often need to send PDFs directly to our clients or students. Gemini does not give a direct button to download PDF files. This is a big limitation of theirs. But we will apply a default PC trick. Type in the text box. Create a 3-page troubleshooting guide for PC boot errors. Use clear headings and bullet points for easy reading. Press enter. The guide is generating. Look how nicely it organized the whole topic with headings and bullet points. Checking the hard drive, cleaning the RAM, it gave all the instructions step by step. Since there is no direct PDF export button here, we will use the browser's built-in print function. This is the easiest way to make a PDF. Press Ctrl and P together on your keyboard. Your browser's print dialog box will pop up and open. Click on the drop-down menu for destination or the printer's name on the right side. Select the Save as PDF option from the many choices. Leave the layout as portrait. Now click on the blue Save button at the very bottom. Choose the path. I am saving it to the desktop. It is saved. The PDF is ready. You now have a ready-made PDF guide. It looks completely professional, which you can email to anyone. Finally, we will make presentation slides. Designing slides is probably one of the most boring jobs. We will build the whole slide structure with Gemini. Write in the text box. Create a 10-slide presentation outline for a corporate digital marketing strategy. Include slide titles, bullet points, and speaker notes for each slide. Then press the enter button. The whole slide content is ready. If you scroll down a little bit, you will see the export to slides option comes up when you look how fast this is. It normally takes 2 to 3 hours to design 10 slides. Gemini gave the structure, content, and speaker notes all at once here in a few minutes. Click on Export to Slides. This will directly create a slide deck. Then you can click Open Slides and download it in PowerPoint format too. Next video we will see how to automate invoicing with Gemini. Are you going? Then subscribe and turn on the bell.